Hello to everyone. In this video we are going to show how a old leaky terrace is treated with polyurethane based hyperdesmo system. Before starting the work, all safety measures to be taken by the field applicators. Based on the condition of the terrace, the surface is cleaned with either wire brush or buffing machine or water jet should used to remove all kinds of contaminations like oil, paint, grease, curing compound, dead mortar or other loose materials from the surface. It is advisable to wash the surface with clean water, to remove all dust from the surface. Then the prepared surface is applied with Microsealer 50 polyurethane based low viscous primer. Material inside the pail has to be mixed well with slow speed stirrer, 300 rpm. This is applied with roller brush or by airless spray machine. The coverage of this primer depends on the surface condition. However, the standard recommendation by the manufacturer is 10 square meter per liter per coat. In certain site conditions, multiple coats of Microsealer 50 primer is also recommended. It is a low viscous primer, so it penetrates to the porous surface to create mechanical or physical bonding to the substrata. The primed surface is allowed to cure for overnight or minimum 24 hours. All cracks are opened to V-groove and joints are treated with polyurethane-based sealant by spatula. Wide cracks are filled with special repair mortar Hygrosmart fiber. All penetrations and upstands have to be coated with coat of hyperdesmo coating by use of brush. Hyperdesmo Classic is then applied with roller brush or spatula or spraying machine. Each coat should not exceed more than 700 to 800 grams per square meter per coat. We have some formulations in hyperdesmo range of coatings which can be coated to higher thickness in single coat. Contact our technical team for details. Sometimes, approved type of geotextile is used under the recommendation of our technical team. It is recommended to go for 2 different colors when multiple layers are proposed. This will help the applicators to ensure no surface is left without hyperdesmo coating. The tag-free time for this coating is between 3 to 4 hours. However, time gap between 2 coats should not exceed 24 to 48 hours. Once the hyperdesmo Classic pails are opened, it is recommended to consume the entire material. If any leftover material stored in the pail, it may react with moisture inside, and may get polymerized inside. It will be unfit to use on the next day. In order to maintain long-term solar reflectance, and better color protection, and to enhance the life of the membrane, it is beneficial to apply the topcoat layers. We recommend for a top coat with Hyperdesmo ADYE. Hyperdesmo ADYE is supplied in neutral or factory pre-mixed colors. Hyperdesmo ADYE is coated at the rate of 200 grams to 500 grams per square meter per coat. Based on the site conditions, 1 or more coats are recommended. For making this coating anti-skid layer, kindly consult our technical team for their recommendation. Hyperdesmo ADYE top coat in white color has highest SRI factor to reflect the solar radiations. The cured membrane has very high tensile strength and high surface hardness. It conforms to the ASTM C836 standards. It is a time-tested coating having track record for more than 3 decades. This coating has CE and BBA certifications for performance assurance. Thank you for watching.